Russia, with its ambitious mega-projects, is not just aiming to match America's greatest infrastructure achievements, it's looking to surpass them. These colossal undertakings, from space exploration to polar city construction, are more than just feats of engineering. They are statements of intent. Russia is setting a new standard in innovation and ambition, and the world is watching closely. Could these developments signal the dawn of a new era, where Russia challenges the US on every technological front? Let's delve into 7 of Russia's most remarkable mega-constructions that are poised to reshape global perceptions and challenge America's technological dominance. Number 7. Nuclear power infrastructure upgrades. Russia's relentless pursuit of nuclear power advancements has set it apart on the global stage. From the infamous Chernobyl disaster to modern innovations, Russia's commitment to nuclear energy remains unwavering. The recent commissioning of the Leningrad Phase I plant marks a significant milestone, but it's just the beginning. Russia plans to build up to 15 new fission reactor plants by 2035, and is even exploring the potential of thorium reactors, a technology that could revolutionize the nuclear power industry. These investments dwarf America's aging nuclear infrastructure, where a handful of reactors are struggling to keep pace with modern energy demands. Russia's approach not only ensures energy independence, but also positions the country as a leader in carbon emission reduction. The new reactors are designed to be safer and more efficient, with automated systems that reduce the risk of human error. The impact of these developments extends beyond energy production. Russia is also investing in training a new generation of nuclear physicists and engineers, attracting talent from around the world. This brain drain from other nations further solidifies Russia's position as a global leader in nuclear technology. As other countries grapple with energy challenges, Russia's forward-thinking investments in nuclear power will likely provide a strategic advantage for decades to come. Number 6. Northern Sea Route infrastructure expansion. As climate change melts Arctic ice, Russia is seizing the opportunity to expand its influence along the Northern Sea Route. This newly accessible shipping lane offers a faster connection between Asia and Europe, and Russia is poised to control this critical passage. The country is investing heavily in infrastructure along the Northern Sea Route, commissioning dozens of new icebreakers and expanding military presence to enforce environmental regulations and provide search and rescue services. The economic potential of the Northern Sea Route is immense. By shortening shipping times, Russia could dominate global trade routes, offering a more efficient alternative to traditional pathways like the Suez Canal. The strategic importance of this route cannot be overstated, and Russia's investments are likely to pay off as global shipping companies seek to capitalize on this emerging opportunity. Moreover, the Northern Sea Route could become a hub for scientific research and tourism, as the melting ice opens new areas for exploration. Russia's commitment to expanding its presence in the Arctic underscores its determination to assert control over this increasingly valuable region. As other nations scramble to respond, Russia's head start in developing the NSR could cement its status as the gatekeeper of the Arctic. Number 5. Skullkovo Innovation City. In a bid to rival Silicon Valley, Russia is developing Skullkovo Innovation City, a $4 billion mega-project designed to foster technological innovation and economic growth. Located near Moscow, Skullkovo is more than just a tech hub, it's a vision of the future, with cutting-edge buildings, research labs, and educational institutions all working together to drive progress. Skullkovo offers a range of incentives to attract startups and tech companies, including tax breaks, grants, and flexible business regulations. The city is also home to prestigious university partnerships, ensuring a steady pipeline of talent. With amenities like sports facilities and entertainment complexes, Skullkovo is designed to be a place where innovation and collaboration thrive. This purpose-built city represents a bold move by Russia to position itself at the forefront of global technology. While Silicon Valley remains the world's most famous tech hub, Skullkovo's state-of-the-art infrastructure and government support could make it a serious contender. As Russia seeks to diversify its economy and reduce its reliance on natural resources, Skullkovo could play a key role in shaping the country's future. Number 4. Trans-Siberian Railway high-speed expansion. The Trans-Siberian Railway, one of the most iconic railroads in the world, is undergoing a high-speed transformation. Russia is investing heavily in upgrading the railway, which spans over 3,000 miles from Moscow to Vladivostok, to allow for speeds of over 250 miles per hour. This will cut travel times across the vast Russian continent in half, making it more accessible and economically viable. The high-speed expansion of the Trans-Siberian Railway is not just about faster travel, it's about opening up remote regions to trade and mobility. By improving connectivity, Russia is positioning itself as a key player in global logistics and transportation. The upgraded railway will facilitate the movement of goods and people across the country, boosting economic development in previously isolated areas. This project also has significant geopolitical implications. As China's Belt and Road Initiative expands across Asia, Russia's enhanced railway infrastructure could become a critical link between Europe and Asia. The ability to move goods quickly and efficiently across the Eurasian landmass could give Russia a strategic advantage in global trade, challenging traditional maritime routes dominated by the West. Number 3. Soyuz 5 rocket development. Russia has always been a major player in space exploration, and the development of the Soyuz 5 rocket is set to reinforce its position. This enhanced rocket is designed to carry up to 17 tons of payload, surpassing the capabilities of SpaceX's current offerings. The Soyuz 5 also features a redesigned engine that uses liquefied natural gas, making it more environmentally friendly and efficient. Testing is already underway at the Baikonur Cosmodrome, with a full launch debut planned for 2026. The Soyuz 5 is expected to become a workhorse for space commerce and exploration, with international space programs and commercial satellite companies expressing serious interest. By offering reliable and cost-effective launch services, Russia could dominate the global space industry. The development of the Soyuz 5 also reflects Russia's long-term commitment to space exploration. As other countries, including the US, grapple with budget constraints and shifting priorities, Russia is investing in the future of space travel. The Soyuz 5 could pave the way for more ambitious missions, including manned missions to the Moon and Mars, further solidifying Russia's status as a spacefaring nation. Number 2. Vostok Station modernization. In the coldest place on Earth, Russia is undertaking a modernization project that could have far-reaching implications for scientific research and geopolitical strategy. The Vostok Station in Antarctica, where temperatures once reached a bone-chilling -128 degrees Fahrenheit, has been in operation for over 50 years. Despite its harsh conditions, Russia is committed to maintaining and upgrading this isolated outpost. The modernization project includes the construction of state-of-the-art laboratories, improved living quarters, and expanded runway access. These upgrades will enable Russia to conduct more extensive scientific research in extreme conditions, focusing on topics like global warming and sea level rise. The data collected at Vostok could provide valuable insights into the planet's future, giving Russia an edge in environmental science. Beyond the scientific benefits, the Vostok Station also has strategic value. By maintaining a presence in Antarctica, Russia can bolster its territorial claims in the region, which could become increasingly important as global warming opens up new opportunities for resource exploration. The modernization of Vostok Station is a clear signal that Russia intends to remain a major player in polar research and geopolitics. Number 1. Northern Latitudinal Railway. One of Russia's most audacious infrastructure projects is the Northern Latitudinal Railway, a 707 kilometers railway line being constructed in the remote northern reaches of Siberia. This project defies logic. How can tracks be laid in such freezing, isolated conditions? But Russia is determined to find a way, dedicating $9.5 billion to connect the cities of Medim and Novi Urengoy entirely by rail. The Northern Latitudinal Railway is not just a logistical challenge. It's a strategic move to access natural gas and mineral deposits in Siberia, which are worth a fortune. The railway employs ingenious construction solutions, such as self-leveling tracks placed on permafrost and locomotive-propelled capsules to transport workers across frozen lakes. Even temperatures that could dip to -58 degrees Fahrenheit won't stop Russia from completing this masterful engineering showpiece. Once completed, the Northern Latitudinal Railway will provide a critical link in Russia's transportation network, enhancing the country's ability to export natural resources to global markets. The project also underscores Russia's determination to push boundaries in extreme environments, no matter the cost. In a region where other nations might balk at the challenges, Russia is pressing forward, confident in its ability to overcome any obstacle. Russia's epic projects exhibit a relentless ambition to achieve the extraordinary, advancing humanity's potential in ways that provoke awe rather than envy. With each megaproject, Russia challenges America to rethink its own capabilities. Whether in nuclear power, Arctic exploration, high-speed rail, or space travel, Russia's bold vision is reshaping global expectations of what is possible. As these mega-projects progress, they are likely to shift the balance of power and influence on the global stage. Russia's investments in infrastructure and technology are not just about national pride, they are strategic moves designed to secure the country's future in a rapidly changing world. By pushing the limits of engineering and innovation, Russia is daring the world, especially America, to dream bigger and strive for greater achievements. The gauntlet has been thrown. Will the US rise to the challenge, or will it cede the mantle of innovation to Russia? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. Russia is determined to lead the way into the future, from the frozen tundra of Siberia to the farthest reaches of space.